How to see like posts on Facebook. First of all, go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view posts from your friends and pages that you follow. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. This is the menu page. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then, tap on Settings. Now, scroll down to the Your Activity section. Then, go to Activity Log. Here, you can view and manage all your Facebook activity such as posts, tags and more. Now, swipe left and go to Likes and Reactions. You can view all your like posts over here. Tap on any to view them. Following these steps, you can easily see like posts on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.